Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to make Kerala style fish curry with coconut milk. Kerala is a southern state in India jammed between sea and coastal mountains. It is also known as land of coconuts. So I am going to make traditional Kerala style fish curry. I am going to use these ingredients: 1 pound salmon. Today I am going to use salmon. In India we use fish called nethili, which are fresh anchovies. You can use any fish for this recipe. I am using shallots today. So these are 2 shallots chopped into small pieces. And you can also use red onion, 1 small red onion or half a big onion. These are 2 tomatoes finely chopped, and these are 5 Thai chilies slit lengthwise, and finely chopped coriander leaves. This is the tamarind pulp, and you need 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp. I am going to show you how to make tamarind pulp. So you have to take wet tamarind and then soak it in water, and just knead little bit in water and soak it for 5-10 minutes. So after 10 minutes it will become soft, so you can just drain it like this. And this is the tamarind pulp which we are going to use in our dish today. And these are all the spices we are going to use: 2 teaspoons coriander powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon fennel seed powder, half an inch grated ginger, 3 teaspoons coconut oil, and 1 can of coconut milk. We have to use the regular coconut milk. Light coconut won't be good for this recipe. So, and salt to taste. I am going to start cooking now. I am going to add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil in the pan. Once the coconut oil melts and it is hot, we can add the chopped ginger and the chilies. If you are using curry leaves, you can add curry leaves at this stage. We don't get fresh curry leaves here. The curry tastes good without the curry leaves. If you add curry leaves, it will add little bit more flavor. And saute it slightly. And now you add the chopped shallots or onions. Saute until the onions are little tender. Once the onion is cooked well, when it is slowly starting to turn into slightly brown, now we can add the chopped tomatoes. Now we have to cook until the tomato is cooked well. Once the tomatoes are mushy and cooked well, and now we can add all the spices. I am adding all the spices. This is turmeric, this is coriander powder, and this is cumin powder, and this is fennel seed powder. You mix all the spices well. Now at this stage we have to add tamarind pulp. And saute for a minute, because the tamarind pulp has to cook little bit. So now we can add the coconut milk. At this stage we can add the salt. I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt, mix well and cook in a medium heat for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we can add the salmon. So cook for 2-3 minutes until the fresh salmon turns into a white color. I am using 5 Thai green chilies for this recipe. You can use less or more as per your taste. So now the salmon is cooked. Look at the salmon, the color has changed from pink to the white color. So now at this stage, out of the 3 teaspoons of coconut oil, we have used 2 teaspoons when we were sauteing the onion. Now I am going to use the remaining 1 teaspoon coconut oil on the top of the curry, because this will give a nice glaze and the fresh coconut oil flavor to the curry. And I am going to add the chopped cilantro on top of this one. Now our Kerala style fish curry is ready. At this stage we can turn off the stove. This is one of our family favorite fish curry recipe which I am sharing with you all. So I am going to try the curry now. I am going to eat it with my hand today. I like eating Indian food with hand. First rule of thumb for eating Indian food with the hand is you wash your hands before eating and after eating the food. I just wash my hands. I am going to taste it now. So this curry goes very well with white rice or any rice and appam. It goes really well with the rice. It is very delicious. It is light and tangy with the perfect taste of coconut flavor. This curry has sweet, tangy and sweet flavor because of the tamarind, tomato and the coconut milk which we are using in this recipe. Eating with your hand not only increases the taste of the food, it also enhances the sensory experience when you are eating the food. Try this at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Try also eating with your hand and share your comments below. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting recipes. See you all soon.